If you hate losing important documents but still forget to back them up, this video is for you. Let's talk data recovery. Imagine this. Your computer crashes and you lose all your data. Scary, right? That's where data recovery comes in. It's like a superhero for your lost files. Data recovery isn't just about getting back lost files. It's about protecting your business's lifeline. Think client records, financial info, and all those late-night project files. Having a solid data recovery plan means peace of mind. No more sleepless nights worrying about data loss. Plus, it saves you big bucks in the long run by preventing potential disasters. So, don't wait for a data disaster to strike. Start investing in data recovery today. Keep your business safe, sound, and ready to bounce back from any mishap. Stay smart, stay secure, and remember, your data is your business's heartbeat. Treat it right.